The National Weather Service in Ilotville has issued a MISKIT NASCAR warning for NASCAR County at 12:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A MISKIT NASCAR was spotted on Lake Larson. Hazard: MISKIT NASCAR source Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. Take cover now. Move to a basement or a sturdy building if you in a mobile home, vehicle. Evacuate. Get supplies like food, water, flashlights, and battery-power radio with extra batteries. Ineffective for this area's Bush Springs, Bowman Creek, Custer, Truex, Lake Larson, Ilotville, and Brent City until 1:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time.